Chez Satoshi for the love of crypto and coffee. I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to introduce you Aragon on this vlog. Before moving on, I want you to take two simple actions. The first action is to subscribe to this wonderful channel, Crypto and Coffee. Press the smash like button and as well press the bell notification to receive new notification when I release new video every single day from Monday through Sunday. And the second action I want you to take right away is to spread the love about this great channel at your workplace and the street, at school, to have access great and outstanding contents made by Chez Satoshi himself, and then to remember and put to your head. So let's go jump to the core subject of today, Aragon. Aragon basically is the king of DAO, decentralized autonomous organizations. What's that mean behind that? So you can govern with a decentralized fashion manner, and this is really cool. So let's go jump to the core right now. Coven better together. Central points of feathers are holding us back. We changed that. Aragon changed that the way. It's a beautiful graphic. I love the eagles and peoples are happy to interact in the community. Have a sense, beautiful integrate seamless colors that is very attractive for the eyes. So start your journey. Whether you are a community or an institution, Aragon offer a wide range of governance solutions. So they have the digital communities and companies and public sector. Digital communities create a decentralized autonomous organization DAO that can collaboratively manage finance, leading DAO solutions, on-chain finance management, on-chain voting, proven tech securing over 650 million developer-friendly IPY. Pretty cool out of the box. Even for the companies and public sector, for company, associations, secure tamper-proof, resistant voting, and this is really important in the world today. Completely scalable, easy to use management tools, developer-friendly IPY. So this is great metrics to out of the box if you look at it from an investor's point of view. I'm not a fashion advisor, I will do your own research, and this is really important. Already 1,700 organizations are created. They have created a DAO over this platform together, Aragonomy. So when they have over 1,700 organizations or that's built over it, so this bring a lot of value, tractions, and this inside the token is going to track to the moon eventually. But this is really cool. 900 million assets under management and 3 billion powered by Aragon project. Pretty outstanding metric, and I believe that project is going to move forward with more organizations that's coming, because more organization, more they talk to each other, and more people want to join, and this create a network effect. And always do your own research. I'm not a fashion advisor, and this is really important. I'm just sharing my spontaneous stuff. Discover next level communities using Aragon today. You have a beautiful video here, beautiful footage. A lot of great community already building on this infrastructure. I just know Decentraland here. So community. Join our community of builders, developers, token holders, and enthusiasts pushing to make decentralized governance happen. So they are present on Discord, and you can join as well as Aragon. So the Aragon about Aragon. You put your emails, and then you stay in touch by emails for the latest news about Aragon. Let's go jump to the next sections. Before moving on, I need to take some coffee. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, and press the bell notification, bing, and spread love about this great channel at your workplace and school and the street to have access great content of value made by Chez Satoshi. So I am on other sections here. Level up your community. Every day, community use Aragons to fundraise, manage finance, and reward contributors. This is really powerful. So they attract contributions, incentivize contributors to join your community and work together. 2. Pool capital. Raise funds from people anywhere united by sharing value. So when you have a common ground, you can with minded peoples, you can raise capitals together to bring visions to the moon or something very far that people, the Ontario is going to use eventually. So govern transparently. Make financial decisions with transparency and group participations. So everyone is involved in, and this is really cool. Who use Aragon? This is a really important question to ask. Virtual Wars, Shredded, Hacker Collectivists, DeFi Protocol, and Fashion House of Aragon to take the community to the next level. Explore communities. Decentraland, Donuts, One Hive. Case study, Bright ID. If you want to know more that it's a real company or real community that is already building, so I invite you to check if you're interested. Just click on Raise Case Study, and then you learn more about the full potential of someone that already involved with Aragon, with the community. So what they accomplish and what they that's probably give you some ideas, some visions if this session is for you or not. I'm not fashion of this. I will do your own research, and this is super important. And the adage of the cryptospheres. So they have a testimonial of someone that use it. This is the future, so it's good idea to start sooner than later. Adam Taylor, founders of Bright ID. You can have as well a launchpad and control centers. The Aragon client is the portal to your organization. Use the clients to create your organization and navigate between apps to the better actions. So you can design the way you want your organizations with the Aragon ecosystem. Organizational building block. Apps accessed through the clients where your community can perform actions like fundraisings, funds, paying people, creating votes, and much more. Everything you need in one place, my friend. Really great. If apps were ingredients, then templates will be a recipe. Templates allow you to deploy a pre-built Aragon organization for the most common use case in minutes like this. So you join Aragon, and then you organize, and a fraction of a second, everything is ready, and then you can just modify for you what you need at the current moment, or where you are and with your organizations, or what you want to accomplish. So connect to the ED apps you love with Agent app. Beautiful robots, pretty cool. So connect your organization to any smart contract to enter and discover Aragon agent. So they have a lot of things that you can do. So this, if you want to implement, probably that might be wise to check the agents apps. So 1,700 organization created, 900 million value and asset story. So they have the fact here. I have question, you can check it. Create a DAO. Aragon is the fastest and easiest way to set up an organization that can adapt to the challenge ahead. Woo! You are the captain, so you have challenge. You use the create a DAO. So you want to stay in touch, put your email to know the latest news from Aragon. So let's go jump to the next sections. So govern the gold standards for DAO. Don't forget DAO is decentralized and autonomous organizations. A simple and flexible framework for powerful optimistic DAO. Simple. Less than 500 lines of code, easy to learn, pretty cool. Modularity, easy to modify and adapt, can be implemented under a day, pretty cool. Economical, free and totally secure voting system out of the box. Use case. Optimistic snapshot. Communities can use govern with any voting solutions such as Vocdoni, deterministic, or snapshot optimistic in order to enable off-chain voting experience for the protocol DAO. Decentralized organizations, decentralized autonomous organization. Pretty great. You have already, you can all manage with the simple apps, and then you can with pre-built templates. You have you can, as the fingerprint, you got, I can vote this features and so on. True govern. Goodbye multi-sig governance. Multi-sig governance is a common stop on the road of decentralizations. It can also be tricky to know where to go next, but what if project could bypass it completely, or if or not? Graduate transition from MSG to a true community governance DAO. That's what govern delivers. Optimistic game. There is a lot more Aragon govern and protocol can be beside optimistic voting. A new class of cryptonomic games that allow developers to write protocol in plain English, very simple rather than code. Because people know it's better to understand when you put text instead of code for the majority of people in the world. So developer, check the latest documentation, the feature of DAO, and all that's involved with the Aragon ecosystem. So if you want to intend to develop or bring your organization into this ecosystem bring something that you have everyday community and want to bring it to the DAO, so everyone stakeholder can manage together the features of your organizations. So get started with governance, start building optimistic DAOs. You can start now. Stay up to date with the newsletters, put your emails, and you get to receive the latest news in your mailbox directly. So let's go jump to the last sections. Vocdoni, easy and secure solutions for all your governance needs. Wow, out of the box. Powered by an auditable, censorship-resistant, and unautonomous digital voting protocol. So what is cool about this is the three keywords element that is very out of the box. Auditables, censorship resistance, and anonymous digital voting protocol. So they have secure voting, so the most flexible and secure voting protocol to organize any kind of voting process, single choice, multiple choice, WGIG, quadratic voting, and much more. So you participate and you vote with your smartphone, and you have different ways that you can manage vote anonymously, and this is really cool. Reliable communication, algorithm-free, origin verified, and direct communications between organizations and the social base. So they have a direct link together, so every members can access it and vote and interact with your voting process. Coordination tools. Far beyond voting, Vocdoni is a set of tools of governance, membership management, and fundraising, and much more. You see, it's very powerful. So a lot of testimonials that you can read right off the box. As you can see, you just click out of the box and read it. I'm not going to spend because this probably can change over time. More people that's coming use it. Probably it's always good to read those testimonials before you get involved with Aragon. So Vocdoni voting technology has already been used to secure hundreds of thousands of votes between many people or organizations that use this solution that is already have a working project. This is really cool. Everything happened with your smartphone or desktop, as you can see here. You only need one platform. Tired of using thousands of tools to manage your organizations? That's true. Vocdoni platform is the all-of-one solution to boost the participation of your entity with easy, safety, and peace of mind of being GDPR compliance by default. For every type of organizations, city council, cooperative, companies, grassroots movement, and association, for every type of organization. This is really powerful. So you can use that for any type of top-notch from the CEO to bottom up, or probably a cooperative, or whatever the reasons that you want to involve with governance, you can use the solution of Vocdoni of Aragon. So it doesn't matter if you need to organize an IGM, a participatory budget, a survey, an election, or just keep your social base up to date on the latest news. Thanks to its versatility, Vocdoni allows you to meet the governance needs of any group. Pretty cool. So the Vocdoni platform, Vocdoni API, out of the box, Vocdoni platform, the all-in-one, secure and mobile-first platform to cover all your governance need. This is the core mission. The first platform to cover all your governance needs. The API bring a set of well-documented SDKs and libraries that are easy to integrate and power governance. Sorry, not powerful. So the Vocdoni OpenStack, a cutting-edge voting protocol. I will not read it, just go fast. So it's EDE verifiable, open source, anonymous, inexpensive, and scalable. 5 major points to be able to bring governance the decentralized fashion manners, and this is really powerful. Verifiable, open sources, anonymous, inexpensive, and scalable. Wow. So the developer, they can check the latest documentation, cutting-edge voting protocol, integrate secure digital voting everywhere in the FAQ. It's pretty. And then naturally just put your emails to get in touch with the newsletters. And in the meantime, if you have any question, don't hesitate to put a question. I'm going to answer the best as I can. And as well, spread the love about this great channel at your workplace, industry, at school. As well, subscribe, smash the like button, and press the bell notification. And you can as well as join my newsletters, listen my podcast and come visit my Australian website, shaysatoshi.com. And have a great day ahead. See you tomorrow, because now I produce 7 videos a week from Monday through Sunday, 9 a.m. Eastern Time. And have a great day. See you tomorrow. Ciao, ciao.